What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I should bring you into my day and show you guys what I'm doing to lose weight for my 6-week plan. 1 minute. Today is day 3 of my project comeback. So basically I'm just going to show you how I'm going to work out and what I eat. What you saw at the beginning of this video is called oil pulling. Basically you swish coconut oil or olive oil. I think which other oil I don't remember, but I think I know about 3 kinds of oil that basically you just get in the morning before you eat anything, before you brush your teeth. You just get it, take a teaspoon, put it in your mouth and swish it all over the mouth. So what I do is like put it in my mouth, swish it while I clean up and get energy to go to the gym. Basically it helps me get energy before working out. It helps me clean my teeth, kill all the bacteria in my mouth, and if you do your research, when the bacteria in your mouth is killed, it also pulls all the bad bacteria from the rest of your body. So it helps to support liver function, it helps with migraines, acne and stuff like that. So basically it's good for you. I don't do it every day, I do it every now and then, but I just wanted to show you guys one health hack that I adopted lately, and I hope you guys, I don't know, find it helpful. If you do, try it and let me know in the comment section down below. For now, let's go and work out and then show you something else. I'm thinking of getting a haircut because man, my hair grows like wild grass. I just got a haircut like a week ago and now it's back, but we'll see about that. Let me work out and see how I feel, and then yeah. And I have a lot of videos to edit, so I don't know how that is going to go. Okay.
Forward a year or two, friends have changed, but so can you. So can you.
So I'm done with the cardio part, which is like my hardest part. I mean, I do it because it helps me warm up, and in the past I found that doing cardio, especially running, worked for me more than anything. So I do it every day. Like cardio is something, I mean the treadmill is something I do every day. I mean it gets boring. I even like before coming to the gym I'm dreading it, but after I'm done I'm happy with it. I sweat so much, and yeah, it works for me. Find whatever works for you, like whatever cardio works for you. For me, I do it for 30 minutes first, and then I do my other workout for the next 30 minutes. So I had to come back home, guys, because we have like a key situation. People are vandalizing the lift, so they have this small fob thing that they record everyone, and we have one key. My boyfriend went out with it, so now I have to come and complete my workout at home, which is what I'm going to do. And just so you know, I'm doing intermittent fasting, not intentionally. I woke up late, and it's a way for me to boost my weight loss, considering I haven't been very good with the diet. But moving forward, starting from now, I'm going to be very serious, guys. It's me, I love food, so I can't help it. I can't help it if I want to eat, and I can't help it if I have the munchies. But you know what? Those are all excuses, and I'm done with excuses. This is day 3, and I cannot slack, especially since I'm acting as the example of my own workout plan, my own get fit, get sexy plan. Okay, let me continue with my workout.
Living in the same routine, like the seasons I'm on repeat. It's a long way down. Trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shade of it. I'm not afraid of it. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Oh.
So guys, I'm done with my workout, and today's workout wasn't as intense as I wanted it to be because I had some minor key issues. We have 2 keys, but one of them is the one that helps you get up the lift. The other just helps you get into the building and you can't get upstairs. And I had to come back home and work out. So I actually couldn't even get back into the gym. If you don't have the key, you can't get back into the gym. So I had to finish my workout from home. Anyway, so this is my first meal of the day. Like I told you, I'm doing like intermittent fasting today because I haven't really been good for the past 2 days. Well, the first day I still did intermittent fasting, but I ate popcorn. I went to the movies and had popcorn. So that was bad, but that's the only bad thing I had. I actually had a smoothie and popcorn, and then yesterday I had some crisps, and then I had the munchies and ate like this whole chicken wrap, which I'm not going to do again. It was homemade, but it had like mayo and stuff like that, and I don't want to be eating that anymore. So what I do is like cut some fresh fruit. I always make sure to have some fresh fruit so that anytime I get the munchies, I have something healthy to munch on. And I love fruit and I have a sweet tooth. So tell me, how do you guys, let me know in the comment section how you guys cut your fruit. Oh my god, this is taking so much energy.
Holding on, don't let me repeat it.
So for my first meal of the day, I'm going to have a smoothie. It's 2:30, and yeah, well, because today I'm actually trying to be as good as I can be. In here I have some pineapple. I just cut up a pineapple, and I'm going to add some frozen blueberries. And in here I have some of that aloe vera that I cut over the weekend. I'm going to put that much. Well, maybe I'm going to add a little more because I need to finish this that. 2 little cubes. Keep in mind, aloe vera is really bitter, guys. So if you're making it, make sure like you mix it with some sweet stuff because it can really get to you. I personally am used to it because my mom used to make us take a lot of this. So I'm used to the taste. So I've put like half a pear and a little bit less than a handful of blueberries, and I'm going to add some more blueberries for more sweetness. I'm not going to take the bitter. So yeah, that's it. So you can totally add like yogurt if you want, but I don't want to use yogurt. I only have flavored yogurt and I'm not such a fan of flavored yogurt, so I'm just going to put a little bit of water to help it pulse. I don't want to make a lot, I just want to make a little glass. I actually think my smoothies look nice in a wine glass, so I like to use my wine glass. That's why I make a small portion so that it can fit in the wine glass. It looks all fancy. So the aloe vera, that's the one thing I want to talk about because it's really bitter. Even when I go to the gym, my sweat tastes like the aloe vera, yet I washed it off the day before. Because of the 5-day challenge I'm doing, you guys should check it out on Sunday. But yeah, so the aloe vera is really the sweetness of the pineapple and the blueberries really masks the smell of the taste. Actually, it even has a strong smell, so it masks the smell and the taste of the aloe vera, so you don't taste it, and aloe vera is really good for you. If you guys want to know the benefits of aloe vera, I can just make you another video particularly about aloe vera and what it's doing for me, but it's really good and it helps with bowel movement. And you guys know I'm all about bowel movement. If I don't go to the toilet, oh my god, I'm grumpy as hell. So bowel movement is important, and this does that for me. So I'm just gonna take some, and we'll see you guys for my next meal, which is dinner. And I'm going to be making salmon and maybe cauliflower rice. I'm not so sure because it's low in calories and I love to eat rice, so I'm just trying to replace the rice with the normal grain rice with cauliflower rice as my health switch for dinner. and proteins are good for you. So actually, I wanted to mention another thing. You guys have to listen to your bodies. And you know, I have this habit. When I lost weight the first time, what I used to do is I had this app called Noom Coach, which really helped. It really helped so much. Like, it counts your calories, basically calories in, calories out, and it gives you like little tips here and there on what you should do. But I'm not using that right now. Right now I have a Fitbit, and I have a Fitbit app, but it's been really hard for me to go back to that. Well, I write down everything I've eaten. Sometimes I don't, especially on cheat meals. But I'm trying to do away with that. I'm trying to make it a lifestyle, because the more I make it like I have to write what I wrote, I have to write what I ate, I'm always like, oh my god, now I have to do that. So I'm just trying to make it a lifestyle. So slowly by slowly, I'm leaving the recording what I eat part and just listening to my body. And what I found, that there's 3 important things you need to know. Like, you have to eat healthy fats, proteins, and carbs. So what I do is, like, right now everything I've eaten is mostly carbs, but it's good kind of carb. I have to make sure I eat some fat and some fat and some fiber. That's where I'm going to eat cauliflower rice, which is a vegetable. It's carb, but it's a vegetable. I don't know if it's fiber, is it? Well, I'll find out. But I know it's a vegetable. In my head, all vegetables have fiber. And I'll probably have it with some fresh salad, which is like cucumber and tomatoes. That should cover up for... Although I had tomatoes were a fruit, not a vegetable. And yeah, my protein and fat is going to come from the salmon. And you guys, I don't know what do you guys think about the oil pulling? Have you tried it before? Because this is like my 3rd week trying it. I do it like once a week, but it's really good. I don't know, I think it's psychological, but I really feel good. I actually feel energetic when I go to the gym, and it's supposed to give you energy. It's so nice. My breath, I don't have a bad breath. Yeah, as far as I know, I don't have bad breath, but my teeth feel white. I probably have like fruit in my teeth. I shouldn't do that. But okay guys, we'll see you in the next meal, which is dinner, or if I snack, I'll bring you into it. But for now, bye until later. I got hungry around 4 and I had some dates, only 2 though. That's healthy. Hi, I'm back. So for my dinner today, we're going to be having cauliflower rice with some butter lemon salmon and Greek salad. So my healthy twist for the day is no rice, just cauliflower. So I had already marinated my salmon with some salt and pepper. And I have some grated cauliflower for the cauliflower rice. And for the Greek salad, I'm just going to use some cucumbers, some tomatoes, and yeah, that's the stuff that's going in there. So for the cauliflower rice, I used coconut oil and sauteed some onions and red bell peppers before putting the cauliflower rice. The salmon is oily on its own, so to saute it, you put it on a dry non-stick pan just to crush the skin. And then to that, I'm just going to add 2 knobs of butter, garlic and chili to flavor the butter, and some lemon, and that's it. For the salad, I'm just going to use onions, tomatoes, cucumber, add some chili and oregano, olive oil, and some salt and pepper, and yeah. So I'm going to sign off now because we're going to have dinner, but I hope you enjoyed. The recipe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell right next to it to be notified the next time I upload a new video. Bye! See you next time.